Now, earlier this year, a 77-year-old woman's home was searched and damaged by Denver police officers for a crime she wasn't even involved in.
So now she's suing the detective who sought the warrant that her lawyers call unjustified. Denver 7's Patrick Perez is in the newsroom tonight.
And Patrick, police are now apologizing for what happened.
They are, Ann, and this lawsuit comes just a few years after Governor Polis signed into law a bill that allows police officers to get sued. It's why this woman's lawyers are coming after the detective, not the police department. It was just before 2 o'clock on the 4th of January. A Denver police SWAT team is preparing to swarm the Montbello home of 77-year-old Ruby Johnson.
They were dressed with body armor, they had handguns strapped to their legs, and many of them were carrying what must have been automatic rifles.
Nobody else in the house now? No, nobody else in the house.
These heavily armed officers were there because a detective believed Johnson's home may have contained items stolen in a recent car theft, including an iPhone. In this copy of the search warrant ACLU Colorado provided to Denver 7, Detective Gary Staub explains a ping from the victim's stolen iPhone showed at one point it was at Johnson's address. The victim got that ping using the Find My app.
What the screenshot showed was that the location of the phone could not be precisely pinpointed.
Still, a judge signed off on the warrant, and a little more than an hour later, SWAT officers were directing Johnson over a loudspeaker to exit her home.
You come to the door with your hands up.
The overwhelming show of force, the intimidating presence, and just the violation of having all of these police officers go through her house just left her feeling horrible.
During a search of Johnson's home, the officers did not find any stolen items. They also damaged parts of her home, which the ACLU says DPD has not paid to repair.
She suffered a lot of distress at this totally unexpected and unjustified scene.
Now, almost 11 months later, ACLU Colorado has filed a lawsuit against Detective Staub on behalf of Johnson. They're seeking compensation through a jury trial. Her legal team claims because of Staub's unjustified search warrant, Johnson's rights were violated.
The detective did not have enough facts to seek a search warrant, and he didn't do a proper investigation.
You're suing the detective, but I'm sure people would question, why not the judge who signed off on that warrant?
The judge has judicial immunity.
In a statement Thursday afternoon, a police spokesperson says, in part, the Department of Public Safety and Denver Police Department sincerely apologize to Ms. Johnson for any negative impacts this situation may have had on her. We hope to continue to work with Ms. Johnson's family through her attorneys to resolve this matter without further litigation. And Denver Police Chief Ron Thomas has ordered an internal investigation and is working with the district attorney's office to make sure officers and assistant DAs are better trained when it comes to warrants based on Find My phone apps. Detective Staub, by the way, is still employed by DPD. He's been with the department since 1998. Ann.
Patrick Perez, thank you. Now, in this case, police did have a warrant to search Ruby Johnson's home. However, warrants are not blanket legal documents for police officers. And looking deeper tonight, if officers show up at your home saying they need to search the premises, you do have a legal right to refuse unless you see a warrant. You are not required to give consent until police have a warrant. And if that warrant does exist, you have the right to request that police read it to you to say what the warrant is for.